Brazil is home to numerous exotic bird species. The Hyacinth Macaw is the world's largest parrot. Golden parakeets are known for their vibrant yellow feathers. Red-necked tanagers boast blue-green hues with a scarlet neck. Blue and yellow macaws have striking blue and yellow plumage. Scarlet macaws feature bright red, yellow, and blue colors. Green-headed tanagers showcase brilliant green on their heads. Swallow-tailed hummingbirds are distinguished by long forked tails. Black-capped Donychobius are unique with their sharp black cap. Blue-winged parrotlets are prominent for their blue wing feathers. These birds are integral to Brazil's biodiversity and ecosystem.